Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here to install RhinoShield's new 3D Impact Screen Protector on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. There's no installer with this screen protector, but based on my experience with the iPhone 12 and iPhone 11 and 11 Pro versions, once you get it on, the result is very good. It resists up to 3 times the impact energy of your unprotected screen, much greater impact protection than a tempered glass screen protector would provide, and as a 3D screen protector, it provides edge-to-edge protection for your device. Let's get this installed on my iPhone 12 Pro Max and check it out. Looking at the contents of the box, we have our installation instructions, we have our installation kit, and we have the screen protector itself. Our installation kit does not include any kind of wet wipe for cleaning your screen with, but other than that, it's okay. We've got a microfiber cloth for cleaning your screen. We have a little squeegee card for removing bubbles if you choose to use that, and we have a series of dust removal stickers. I'm going to start off here by cleaning my screen with an alcohol prep pad that I happen to have around the house, as one was not included in our install kit. Then I'm going to dry this with a microfiber cloth. And then finally I'm going to use one of the dust removal stickers in order to remove any remaining dust from the screen. Be sure to be working in as clean and well-lit environment as possible during this process. Dust is the enemy of a successful screen protector install. Next, you're going to want to take a look at the screen protector itself. This is quite thin and lightweight, lots of flex, because of course this is not a tempered glass screen protector. Note we have 2 tabs on here, one marked B, one marked A. Not surprisingly, A is the one you're going to remove first. That's the one that you're going to remove in order to expose the adhesive side of the screen protector. Once you do that, obviously you're going to turn this over and put it down on top of your phone. You're going to need to line up the screen protector using the opening here for the ear speaker and the sides of your device. Unfortunately, as I mentioned, this does not come with any kind of installer, so you just have to do it all by yourself, but just be patient, and if you get it misaligned the first time, you can peel it back up and put it down again. In my experience, this has a very forgiving adhesive. Form the screen protector into a U shape and carefully place it down upon your device, aligning it with the sides of the device and the hole for the ear speaker. Once everything looks good with your alignment, simply let things go and the screen protector will adhere. Gently run your fingers along the screen protector in order to remove any remaining bubbles. If you're a fan of using squeegee cards for this, be sure to wrap the included squeegee card in a microfiber cloth in order to avoid scratching the screen protector. Finally, once all the bubbles have been removed and everything looks good with your screen protector install, you can remove tab B in order to remove the outer plastic sheet. Be careful when you're doing this to only remove the outer plastic sheet and not the screen protector itself. Looking at our results, you can see we have basically perfect edge-to-edge protection here. I have to say this is my most successful screen protector installation yet with the 3D screen protector by RhinoShield. Usually I have to take it up and reposition it because I don't get it on quite right, but this time I got it installed correctly on my first try. So I guess practice perhaps does make perfect. This is a really thin screen protector, basically adds almost no thickness to your device, gives you edge-to-edge protection. It's even giving you coverage over the notch. Should provide excellent protection to your device. In terms of look and feel, everything is excellent here. We've got very good optical clarity. This has a lovely feeling underneath the fingertips, very much like a glass screen protector. This is very responsive. There's no issue with your haptic touch, and the oleophobic coating feels like it should be working very well. I'm really not noticing any fingerprints with this, although overall you're going to find that this is probably not going to be as fingerprint resistant as a tempered glass screen protector. The same goes for scratching. This is going to scratch more easily than a tempered glass screen protector, so you have to be a little bit careful there. However, it's going to provide greater impact protection than a tempered glass screen protector, so that's where this type of screen protector is really going to shine. So overall, just a really really nice screen protector here from RhinoShield. This is going to fit with all of the RhinoShield cases, the Solid Suit and the Mod NX. Not sure how it's going to fit with other cases yet. This brand new phone, so I don't have very much experience with it with other cases. But given that it is so thin, my guess is that it's actually going to fit with quite a few cases. I found the case compatibility for the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro versions to be quite good. Overall, just a really nice product from the folks at RhinoShield. Again, we've been looking at the 3D Impact Screen Protector for iPhone 12 Pro Max by RhinoShield. This product is available directly from RhinoShield and is priced at $29.99. You can save between 10 and 15% on your purchase if you use the coupon code for my viewers, which you'll find in the description below. Many thanks to the kind folks at RhinoShield for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And please hit that subscribe button because I have a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer with the 3D Impact Screen Protector by RhinoShield. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.